Hi there, percussionists. Welcome to more Flam Review with me. We're going to go through page 32 of your book this time, but I'm not going to go through the whole page. This page is definitely trickier than page 31, okay? So remember, flams need to sound like flam. Remember that it's your hands coming down at the same time, but one is higher and one is lower, and that's what's going to give you that ba-dum sound, not left hand, right hand. It's not two separate strokes, okay? Whatever you do, don't let that happen, okay? So I'm going to do number 1, number 2, and number 3 in this video on page 32. So this is the first 3 songs on page 32. It's just reviewing your flams. Now, on this whole page of the book, you'll notice until number 7, they give you the flams written in, like which is left, right, and which is right, left, okay? Remember, the big hand, the R, like for example in number 1, is the actual beat, okay? So it's left, right. Usually we would never start at the beginning of a measure with a left, but that's just that little getting you into that measure. So that's why this is a right hand flam, okay? So it's left, right, left, left, right, okay? The left, right. The second note is always the louder, the bigger note, because our hand starts higher. That's the one that has to always follow that rule of, if I get rid of the flams, it's going to be right, left, right, left, right, left, okay? That's the key, okay? You've got to make sure that you're going off of the big hand. That is the hand you need to be thinking about when it comes to the flam, okay? That's the hand, like, if I'm looking at later on in number 8, which doesn't have flams written in, I see a flam right on beat 1. Well, that's going to be a left, right, because the right's going to follow right on the beat, okay? So here is number 1 of 32, page 32. I'm going to zoom in so you can see my lovely hands instead of my face. Here again, flams are not played on the face, sorry. Here we go. So number 1, okay? So it's that left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left. Same measure 4 times. 1, 2, let's try number 1. Flam, left, right, left, flam, left, right, left, flam, left, right, left. Okay? So that's how that will work. Okay? Here's number 2. Now we have flam, 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 and then left, right, left. Okay? Here's number 2. 1 and 2, number 2, ready, and flam, 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 left, right, left, flam, 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 left, right, left, flam, 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 left, right, left, flam, 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 left, right, left. Okay? That's number 2. Number 2 is pretty easy because you get the 3 flams in a row. That's usually pretty easy. Okay? Number 3. Okay? So, you've got the left, right, left, right, left, left, right. Okay? That's how each measure will go. Here's number 3. 1, 2, left hand close, right hand high. Rest. 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 Cool. So there you go. There is number 1 through 3 on that page. These 3 are pretty simple. Just kind of getting those flams going and kind of adding in notes that are flammed and notes that aren't flammed. Number 4 and 5 are where things start to get interesting. So I'll record those on the next one. Happy practicing, guys.